So hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are good. So today we are back with our new editorial, and today's editorial is from Educational Code Forces round 98, rated 42, and we are discussing problem C of this contest. The name of the problem is two brackets. So let's start the problem. Uh, so let me tell you the problem in the simple way. The problem is saying is we are given a string S consisting of round brackets and square brackets. And what we need to do here is we need to make the string as short as possible. Okay, so what the operation we can do here is to make it shorter is if we have a square bracket, opening round bracket before the closing round bracket, then we can delete both of them in one operation, or we can delete opening square bracket or and closing square bracket. Okay, so we can do these both operation mainly in this. Okay, if opening square bracket is coming before closing square bracket, then we can delete both of them from the string, and we need to do as maximum moves as we can perform. Moves means operation that we can perform. So let's show you the code of this problem. Then I will using explaining the code, I will show you the logic also. So here is the code, guys. What we are doing here is we are taking a string and we are inputting the string, and we are taking a integer as r. So what we will do here is we will check, we will take two integers as r and s, r for the round bracket and s for the square bracket, and we will count the number of opening brackets that are coming. Okay, number of opening brackets that are coming, a number of opening round brackets that are coming in r, and a number of opening square brackets coming in s, and we will take an integer answer as ans, and we will initialize all of these three integers as 0, and we will run a loop over s, and we will check that if the ith element of s is equals to the opening round bracket, then we will increment the r, and if it is equals to the opening square bracket, then we will increment s, else if it is uh, equals to the closing round bracket, then what we will do here is we will check that if any opening round bracket come before the closing round bracket or not. If it comes, then we will uh, check that if r is greater than 0 or not. Then we will decrement the r because we will cut both of them, and we will increment the answer. And same for the square, we will check that if any opening square bracket come before the closing square bracket or not. If it comes, we will decrement s and increment answer, and at the last we will print the answer. So this was the code and the logic for this problem, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if I get 10 likes on this video, I will definitely, as soon as I get 10 likes, I will post the solution for A as well. And if you want more solution or any video, you can comment me down. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Meet you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.